Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be trying out the carrot cake recipe from the Cake Bible. So first, we're going to start by sifting all of our dry ingredients. And all the ingredients will be listed below, as well as the link to purchase the Cake Bible. Each and every one of these ingredients are essential to this cake, so don't skip a step. Now, the star of the show when it comes to carrot cake is definitely cinnamon, and this recipe also called for cocoa powder, and I feel like it really enhanced the carrot cake flavor. Now, here's my daughter helping me sift my ingredients, and I feel like she only helped just so she can get a carrot. This recipe called for a specific cocoa powder, but I only had the Hershey cocoa powder unsweetened, so that's what I used. Now I'm going to whisk this all together, and yeah, my daughter's helping me, and she gave up and took the carrot and ran away. Now I'm going to make sure everything is well incorporated, and then I'm going to set aside the dry ingredients and start preparing my carrots. Now I'm peeling the skin off of all the carrots, and this was the most daunting task because you have to do every single carrot. Finally finished, but not done yet. Now you have to grate all of the carrots. I wasn't sure which side I wanted to grate the carrots on, so I did a mixture of all sides of this grater. This was my first time making a carrot cake, and it definitely was a lot of work. I'm one of those people that say boxed carrot cake is delicious. Well, after I made it from scratch, oh, I'm never going back to the box. My brother got me this cake Bible as a gift, and he had already bookmarked the carrot cake that he wanted me to make. So I decided to surprise him and make him this carrot cake. The video will be linked below if you would like to watch it. Here I am still grating carrots. It probably took me about 15 to 20 minutes to grate all the carrots. I'm finally done grating all of the carrots. So now it's time to move on to the next step. I'm going to sift the white sugar, and then I'm going to also add brown sugar, which cannot be sifted, trust me. Next, I'm going to add the oil, and this recipe called for sunflower oil. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my sour cream, which helps to keep all my cakes moist, and this is the only difference I added to this cake recipe. Then I follow up with vanilla. Then I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. Next step is to add in 1 egg at a time. Now that everything is well mixed together, I'm going to mix the remaining ingredients by hand. Now I'm going to add my freshly grated carrots, and I didn't want to add too many carrots, so I did not use all of it. Now that all the carrots are well incorporated with the batter, it's time to put them into the pan. Now for these pans, I did use parchment paper on the bottom just to prevent it from sticking. Now this cake is ready to go into the oven. Freshly out the oven, now I'm going to remove the parchment paper and then I'm going to wrap the cakes and put them in the refrigerator to cool so I can decorate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.